So, today's is gonna be a slime video. I already did one of these on my channel, but it was like a slime ASMR with my friend. We both like basically made slime sounds, with the slime. And that was a couple months ago though, but today I'll actually be talking in this video about slime and some slime hacks. Things you can do to basically keep your slime alive because, yeah. I've actually been making slime for a couple months. I have another one upstairs. It's like a lavender color. So I mixed it with pink and blue and made lavender. So yeah, but these are the same color as you can see. What difference is? I've been wanting to make this video for a while because I had slime for like almost a month and a half, I think. Maybe just a month, but I don't really know. I don't remember. Or maybe just a couple weeks ago. I really don't remember. Okay, guys? Sorry. No, it was a month ago. It was a month ago, I think. But, yeah, I've been wanting to make these videos for a while. Since I first made these. But I didn't. So I'm finally coming to y'all with a video on this. And, I only have a couple minutes, but I'm gonna... Matter of fact, I'm not... Yeah, but I'm gonna do a part two because it's about to run out. But anyways, so these are two slimes, same color, differences. So this one is thinner. This one's thicker, and I think this one is more. So I use more glue on this one, I believe. Maybe. This one's really thick. This one is thinner. Y'all see? Okay, so now for the hacks to keep your slime alive. Number one rule, do not, please put a lid on your slime. Like, put it in a container, put a lid on your slime, or, yeah, just don't put it in a bag, though, because it'll stick to the bag, and then when you get out, some of it will be sticking to the back, and you'll have to get it off. So, please, in all seriousness, put it in something and cover it up. Make sure it has a lid on it. I had to throw my slime I just made away because I didn't have no more containers, I don't think. So I just left it open to see what was going to happen. And yeah, it dried out. So, second hack is put water in your slime. You can see how this one, number one, is making more sounds. Number two, it's more moist. You could tell, like, it's newer. Now this one, look, it's real tough. And you can fix that. You do not, when your slime gets tough, don't think you have to throw it away. That is not the case. All you have to do, go over to a sink in your house, or wherever you are, and put a little bit of water. Okay, I put a little bit of water. Then pour it out. Don't pour all of it out though. Let some of it absorb the slime. See what difference that made? And you can put more water in if you want more sounds. And no, I do not think I want to mix these slimes together, even though they're the same color. I don't think I want to mix them together because they have differences, and I like the differences of the two. The water really absorbed this. It's more or less tough. Now this one is just thick. That's why it's like a little tougher. But yeah, you could tell. I like that one better than this one, but I love slime because it kind of relieves my stress. This one does seem newer though. It's more moist, I don't know why. It's more easier to handle. My lavender one upstairs I had for the longest. And it still's not bad. I had it for like, I made it like, I don't know. But yeah, this is the end of my video. Comment if you want me to do more slime videos. Deuces.